Hi everyone, in front of me I've got BLACKVIEW Tab 12 Pro, and let me share with you how to check the serial number of this device. So I'd like to start with the fastest way to check the serial number with the usage of the secret code, and after that I'll show you a little bit a way which is a little bit longer, but it is still useful if for some reason the secret code won't work. So let's start with opening the dialer, and right here we have to enter a special code which is *06#. And as you can see, thanks to this code at the very bottom of this pop-out window, we've got the serial number of this device. Let's tap on OK, and let me show you another code, another way, as I said, with the usage of the settings. So let's open them. And here in this left section, we will have to scroll down to find About Tablet. Let me quickly go back, because this is what you will see after tapping on About Tablet. And then all we have to do is to scroll and find the status information. And as you can see, in this section at the very bottom, we've got the serial number of this device. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.